Good morning students, welcome back to Information Technology Advanced Web Designing Lecture 14. In this lecture you are going to learn image map in HTML5. Image map in HTML5. What is image map? An image with a multiple hyperlink is called an image map. Image map is used to connect links to different regions on the web page. Image map is created by marking certain region on an image clickable. These clickable regions are called as hotspots. Image maps are of two types, client side and server side. The tag used to define client side image maps are: the first one is image tag. As you know that image tag we use to insert the image. Similarly, we can use this image tag to insert image in a image mapping. It is used to insert an image on a web page. To create a client side image map, use map attribute of image tag is used. With this attribute we are going to use the as symbol. The use map attributes act as a pointer which indicates that the image is client side image map. Next tag is map tag, and it has only one attribute name, and it specifies the name of image used for client. When you are going to use image, that time you are going to give the name with the map tag. The value of the name attribute is the value specified in use map attribute of image tag. Then the area tag. This is very important tag while using image mapping. So it defines specific clickable region. A given map element can contain multiple area elements with its area is a singular tag and map is pair. The area tag also include the shape attributes and the coords, means coordinates of the particular shape that we are going to use with the area tag. Also we are going to use the href attribute. So href attribute we can use to link the clickable area. Once you click on the clickable area, the particular file should get open. That is called the link file. Let's see the attributes of the area tag. The attributes of the area tag, the first attribute is the href. As I told you, this attribute we already learned in the 11th standard with the anchor tag, and it defines the URL to which the clickable regions within the image map navigates. To give the link, we must use this href attributes. Then the shape attribute. The shape attribute is used to take value of the shape, for example rectangle, circle or polygon. The next attribute is coords, and this coords attribute we use with the area tags. It specifies coordinate for the rectangle, circle and polygon. It also called the clickable regions on the image map. So rectangle shapes specify the rectangular area with the 4 coordinates. Circle shape, it defines a circular region. It requires 3 coordinates. First 2 coordinates and then 1 is the radius. And then the polygon, it's defined the polygon regions with the coordinates specifying each point on the polygon, and it requires 4 coordinates. That's called the xy, xy and the xy. 3 different corner chords we need. So default regions covers the entire image, no coordinates are required. And one more is the alt attributes. The alt attribute we use to give the name to the particular shapes or the particular image. If the shapes is not available or the image is not displayed, it can be read the name of that shape or the image by using the alt, like a titles. It specify extra information about the clickable area, and it is the alternative text to the clickable region. Let's see the practical on image mapping. So you have to open first Notepad and simultaneously you have to open the browser. See how I open the Notepad and the browser and arrange them on the desktop side by side, so you can easily see the output. Then you have to type the basic stack of HTML5 program. For example, doc type HTML head, then give the title image mapping, then come to the body sections. Now you have to take the image for image mapping, so we are going to use the image tag. So image, then the src attribute equal the path of the image where you kept the image. I'll show you where I kept my image. Now I kept all the images here in this, so you'll get all the images are here which are going to link. Now here image map.html file is there, and these three different maps I have stored in this folder to give the link. Now here this is the image map file, so you can right click on this and go to the properties and see the path of this image. The path of the image is c:user Dominic desktop map. Okay, if you are working in the same folder, then no need to take the path, you can take directly name of the image. So copy this image name and paste over here. So the image map, then extension jpg, this image is jpg, you can write jpg over here. Then use map attribute, in double inverted quote write s sign and give the name to the attribute universal. So this is the name to the use map attribute, double inverted quote complete the angular bracket. Now save this program and refresh the browser and see whether you are getting the image. Now see, you got an image over here. On this image here are the clickable area, but this is not a clickable area right now, so we can use this rectangle, circle and the polygon. So we'll start by one, taking by using the map tag first, map, and give the name to the map. Map name equal, what name we are given here, universal, so you can write universal, the name of the map. Then use the area tag, area, then shape attribute equal double inverted quote which area you are going to mark as a clickable. So first we are going to take the rectangle, so we can use rect, then double inverted quote complete, then the chords, you have to take the coordinates of this rectangle, so chords equal double inverted quote, you have to take the chords, so that's you have to open this image in Paint. So minimize this and open this image in the Paint. So this image you have to open in the Paint, right click here and go to the open with and click on Paint, so you can open this image in a Paint. So now see, this image is open in the Paint. Now you can see the x and y coordinate in here is displayed in down, so you have to go to the x coordinate first of this rectangle, so you have to take the x and y coordinates. So x coordinate you can mark from here to here, so you can get the x coordinate 97, 73 and the y coordinate 73 here. So the coordinates of x and y is 98, 73. So you can go to the notepad file once again and write the coordinate over here 98, 73. Again go back to the Paint file and take the coordinate from this right lower corner. So right lower corner 249, 175. So note down this 249, 149, 175. Once again check the coordinate for this to 149. Okay, after coordinate you have to use href attributes. Once the area become clickable, then what has to be open once you click on that? So save this program and check whether that area become clickable or no. So save this, open the browsers, refresh and check. Now see, it become a clickable area. You can see the pointing hand over here. So this area is showing the clickable, but outside no, outside is not a clickable area. So once you click on this, something should open. Okay, that's why we are going to use the href attribute. So here I am writing the another image name, that is called Goa map, goa.jpg. Once I click on this rectangle, the Goa map should get open. So save this program and refresh the browser and check whether it is opening or no. So see, if you click on this clickable area, the Goa map is open. Now we'll take circle. Now this area will take. So just use the area tag once again. Area shape name you have to write here circle, and you have to take the coordinates of the circle. While taking the coordinate of the circle, you have to take the x and y coordinates and the radius you are going to take here, radius of the circle. So here area shape circle, then chords. So you have to open this image in a paint, and then you have to mark the area of the circle is here in center of this. The center you will get 504206. So you have to write here 504 chords equal chords equal 504 comma 204 comma, you have to take the radius now. So open this once again in the paint and see the circle diameter is like this. This is called diameter. The half of the diameter you will get a radius. So you have to first mark this, how much distance you are getting, 563. Open the calculator and check. 563 minus, again you have to mark from here to here this distance, 448. So minus 448 equal 115 divided by 2. So you will get 57.5. So 57.5 means 58, almost 58. So you have to take here 58 radius, 58. So 58 radius is over. Once the chords over, then you have to use the href attributes. Once you click on the clickable area, what has to be open? Which link should get open? Here I am going to open the Gujarat map. So I am writing here Gujarat. As I showed you, all the images are stored in that map folder. So I am taking Gujarat.jpg. Save this program and refresh the browser and see whether it shows this area clickable. See the clickable area, it is showing full circle, and once you click here, it should get open the Gujarat map. So see, the Gujarat map is open here. So means markable area is correct. So once you click, that link also is opening correctly. So now we'll go for the triangle. Triangle, you have to take xy, xy and xy, because three different coordinates is also called as a polygon. So let's see how to take the coordinate of the polygon. So once again, you are going to use the area, safe, you are going to write poly, and you have to take the chords. Now this chord will not help you, you have to take the new chords. That's why you have to open the image in Paint and take the chords. Now while taking the chords, you have to take the x and y coordinates. So x and y coordinate you have to measure from here to here. So you in this corner you have to go, you will get the coordinate 129 to 87, 129 to 87. Again go to the Paint and mark the down corner over here, this. So these chords are 129 426, 129 426, 129 426. Go back again to the image and take the last corner coordinates, 282 426, 282 426, 282 282 426. Okay, save this and refresh the browser and see whether you got a clickable area or no. Okay, you got a clickable area. Look here, this full polygon, also called as a triangle, you got full clickable area. But if you click, it will not open anything because I have not given any link to open this file. So I am going to give the link to the Maharashtra map. Once I click on this, it should open the Maharashtra map. So for that you are going to use the href attributes and then give the name of the file which has to be open. So I am giving the name of the file Maharashtra .png. You must give the correct name. Once you check where you store this file, what is the name of that file. So here Maharashtra, so Maharashtra png file it is. So you can give the extension png, maharashtra.png. Save this file, refresh the browser and check whether once you click on this clickable area, it should get open the Maharashtra map. So it is opening the Maharashtra map. Now all this called as a hotspot on the image. You map the image, that's why you got the hotspot. Every clickable area opening the different file. Okay, so now see, if you click on the circle, it is opening the Gujarat map. If you click on the Maharashtra, it will open the Maharashtra map. If you click on the rectangle, it's open the Goa map. So all are the clickable area, also called as the hotspot. Now you have to close the map tag. Close the map tag and save once again this file. Refresh it and see whether it is opening or no. So all the clickable areas are opening. So this is called image mapping. To do this practical on image map, you have to make use of Paint to take the measurement of the clickable area. You have to take the measurement of the rectangle, you have to take the measurement of the circle, as well as you have to take the measurement of the polygon. So I hope you understood these practicals. So you have to practice. Unless you are not practicing, you will not going to understand how to take the chords of these particular shapes. For example, rectangle, circle and polygon. Thank you.